Tell me when you're ready. You don't have to come up here. I'll put the sail up, but I'd like to see if it'll actually stay on course, so you'll be there.
I'm going to deploy the jib first, since that's usually easier when.
You think so?
I'm going to deploy the jib first.
Okay.
That would be probably the.
Okay. Maybe that's all you want.
Yeah, I think for now we got some chains and boat stuff.
Yeah, we got enough wind.
Yeah. One thing I didn't grab though was the tiller extension.
Oh, the winch. Okay, yeah.
Ta-da. A little closer here. Nose down. Making a lot of headway. Okay, we're gonna make it this time. Undeploy that.
I don't know if that safety line's going to give you a problem. You might have to jump over it, I guess.
Yeah, hopefully I can manage. I'm going to hit the reverse here.
Nice work, Wayne. Well, we got to work on that a little bit.
no scratches.
Okay, JC, you did it. Congratulations.